brown, brown, brown. Corner Chronicles, brown, 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 brown. Corner Chronicles, brown, 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 brown. Look at that. Corner Chronicles, brown, 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 brown. Corner Chronicles, brown, 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 brown. Corner Chronicles, brown, 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 brown. Corner Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corngird here, back with another episode of Corngird Chronicles. And today, I'm at my buddy's yard here in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. And I wasn't going to film anything, so I was just doing a little bass fishing. But I just had a lunker on, a huge bass. And I just caught it almost looks like a crappie, or not a sunfish, not a brim. But it almost looks like a crappie, but a different variation of it. But I caught that too. But now, since I almost caught this bass, and the hook came out right at the last moment. But I'm gonna start filming, and we're gonna get it all on film. And hopefully, when I catch it again, I'll get it on film. We got it. So, but now I have hope. It's a little pond. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys the pond. It's a small little pond. You know, but that was a nice bass that I missed, and now I'm excited, so let's get it. All right, guys, let's get to it. That bass was such a nice bass, though. Oh my God, I need to actually tighten up my drag just a little bit. And what I started doing is I started, hold on, let me turn this down. So when I first got here, I was just reeling it in real slow. But then I started jigging it a little bit, and this is what I'm using right here. I've caught a bass on this before in Texas, but so now I'm here in Florida. And you know, I was like, why not give it another try? But man, I wish I would have caught that bass though. It jumped up out of the water and I saw it and I was like, oh my God. But then the hook came out. So I didn't set the hook right. It's all good though. We're gonna catch another one. We're gonna make it work. I hope I can catch one of those other fish too that I caught, so then I can really kind of show you guys what I'm talking about, because I really don't know what it is. It kind of looks like a crappie, but it's not. But it looks, the shape of it looks just like a crappie. But the colors of it were a little different. I feel the bass right here. I feel it. I feel it right here. Come on, baby. I need to catch a bass. I really do. I need a bass to fulfill my trip here in Florida. Even though I did catch a fish already. So, I'm not, you know, it's all good. But a nice largemouth bass, that'll hit the spot right there. And I feel one coming. I feel one coming. Especially after having that little taste. Ain't seen it though. Oh no! All right, guys, we're back at the same spot as you saw in the video. And so, yeah, today I got some live worms. Oh, see, they're already hitting the top of the water. But I got live worms today. I got 2 packs of them. I got bobbers. I got whatever I need. So, we're about to make it work. And we're about to catch a lunger. Let's get it. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. What is that, a turtle? But I got my eyes all ready. But yeah, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. You know, consistency is key. Remember that to all my content creators out there. All right, YouTubers, social media influencers, people who work out, hustlers, go-getters. Let's get it. All right, so let's get it going. Let's get one of these bad boys out of here. Oh, there they are. There they go. Here we go to save the day. They're very squirmy. So we're gonna just try this out. Just like so. There we go. Oh, we start. I need to get me a rag because definitely not trying to get this shirt on StenCy KEY. There, and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna just wait, and we're gonna catch us a big one. I'm ready for it, guys. I'm ready for it. All right, guys, I'm getting a bite. I'm about to set the hook. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think I missed it. I think I might have missed it. Oh no, it might be one. It's on. But it's a little... So I didn't film a lot of me shooting, but this is the first time I ever shot a gun. What's going on, guys? It's, you know, we just got some, going to be cooking some breakfast. I'm kind of going all out. You know, I just have a feeling that I want a big breakfast, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to go all out. I'm probably going to make some pancakes, some sausages, some corned beef hash, some grits, some eggs, and some hash browns. Oh yeah, also shout out to StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. Remember that. But it's time to get it. Let's get it. I like pepperoni in my eggs. It's really, really good. not something that we normally do, but I actually love it. All right, the perfect time to know when it's time to flip the pancake is when you see the bubbles start bubbling up. Then you just flip that thing over. Kind of get the oil around it too. Gives it a nice little crisp edge to it when you use the oil. Check the bottom of it. We're all good there. I know it's not the ideal, view, but it's what I got right now. We're gonna try it out. That's perfect. Toss some McCormick pads, some grits. And then last but not least, the eggs. With the pepperoni, spinach, mushroom, onions. Man, oh man. Then we'll try the hash brown. Can't beat it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And please share the video to your friends, to your family. I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit. So if you could, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters. Remember, consistency is key. All right, let's get it. Corn Gurt Chronicles.